We're live. Good morning. What's going on? A little bit of change of scenery here. Moved my desk a little bit. See if we can zoom in a little bit there on my face. Something like that. Something like that a little bit. Doesn't zoom anymore. The heck? We did some rearranging in the RV, getting ready for a road trip to South Texas on Friday. We're hitting the road. That's the cool thing about living in an RV. You can just be like, all right, now we're going here. So going down near Corpus Christi. I was looking at maps and stuff of South Padre and all that good stuff. But yeah, we're here to do some trading. Got the 1 minute chart pulled up, and here's the 2 minute chart. Here's the 15-minute chart. Got another 16 and a half minutes till the market opens.
I swear.
Yeah. Today looks like yesterday. We got the gap fill above. We got this pivot point. So yesterday, here's the 15-minute range. We broke out above the 15-minute range, pulled back, and then created this bull flag, broke out above the pivot, and shot up. So we got the close at 539. 539 close. So, will we get that squeeze up above VWAP, above the pivot? 501 pivot. Market closed up here. Let's see what happens. King of fucking everything. Young rich niggas. Young rich niggas. Got a vlog going behind us. Got the little vlog going right there. See what we do here at open. King of fucking Market opening in about 12 and a half minutes. 12 and a half minutes till market open. Eating some breakfast still. Got some eggs cooked up. If you guys are wondering what kind of RV I have, I'm in a 38-foot 2021 Crossroads Volante 34 RE. It's a bumper pull. I bought it brand new. I'm the first owner. I bought it a couple years ago. I lived in a house for a little bit with it. I had it parked outside and then went back into the RV. Bought some land. So it makes moving real easy. That's all I'll say. I like moving around. What's the weather like today where you are right now? It's like 20 degrees warmer where I'm going because I'm going 6 hours south. The low today is 59 in East Texas. High is 88 degrees. Okay. And where I'm going, the low is only 66 and the high is 89. So that's cool. In South Padre, it's already 77 degrees today, and the high is only going to be 82, though. The low is 76, so tighter gap on the temperature down there. Market opening in 8 more minutes. 8 more minutes till market open.
This life and life is living. This project.
I can do this. I couldn't do this before when I was sitting over in the corner. I was sitting over there. Now I can do this. Gotta clean my windows. And I gotta get a blind for that window. Because I'm going to an RV park. And people are gonna be able to see straight into here, and I don't like that. I don't like it when I want to have some privacy, you know. That's 1 hour. So if you look at the 1 hour chart, kind of got this channel that we're in. Oh yeah, news. Probably important. Oops, forgot to check that. Rule number 1: check the news.
It's a hardware store.
10 a.m. news, home sales, right here. A little bit of news right there at 9. And that's it. So a little bit of news at 9. 9 o'clock my time, 10 o'clock Eastern. Kind of got this channel on the 1 hour. I got whoa. High 40s. So this is where we closed up here. That's why I drew a circle up here. We kind of got this hourly trend. See if this acts as support. It might break through it a little bit, but we got this pivot point at 401. And then we got the VWAP at 483. Market opening just now. Market's open. Pushing up there at open.
One of mine. Really remembering to swirl. Last.
Market is open for business. Just because the market's open doesn't mean you have to trade, though. Doesn't mean you have to trade. Waiting for our setups. See if that fan's different. That's why we don't trade it open. Look at this, like up, down. Doesn't know what it wants to do. Oh. 2-minute candle, 50 points. $55 points, actually. Opponent jet. Whoa, look at that. Up, down, up, down. That's crazy. Yeah. Pivot point at 401 on the Nasdaq, and then another on the way at 259. Some big over 10-point bodies. Kind of bear flagging right here, but I'm just gonna be patient. It's kind of bear flagging a little bit right here. We'll just practice drawing our bear flags. Breaks below is 415. Might come down to this pivot. You know, practice drawing our lines on here too. Dip below here, you might come down to the 400 area. Oh, bouncing off. Maybe not. Maybe not, maybe not.
And you can build it, then the limit is the sky. Until then, I'm with my niggas getting high. And plus, we with it, y'all know the business.
You gotta push. Wiz Khalifa, king of everything. There we go.
48 hours.
Bulls and Bears fighting it out first 15 minutes.
Wake up in the morning, grab my trees, and I get through it. Young nigga, I do my own thing, so let me do it. If you wanna know what things about me, it's on my paper, publication. There's my iPhone ring. I see you later, hop up in the Chevy, grab my keys, and then I'm out.
There's the 40 break. Oh.
Keys, and I'm about it. I'll be stacking up.
Yeah, Right. Just being patient. See, there we go. Market just brought it right back down. So good thing we didn't get long there. Just waiting, being patient. Oh, nigga. Five more minutes in the 15-minute opening range. Yeah, we're gonna wait another 20 minutes to take our first trade. I'm feeling too jumpy. We need to see our setup. We need to force ourselves to be patient, wait a little bit longer. We got news coming out at 10 a.m. Eastern for home sales. So probably gonna wait for that. We got some Canadian news coming out in 3 minutes. I don't think that really affects us. It looks like it's big news. being patient, waiting for this news to come out, waiting until 10 a.m. That's where we see a lot of our good trades. 10, 11. There's the ES. The ES. There's a dollar.
Down in Sackville, you just pop, walk, walk. To get your clothes.
All right, there's our first 15 minutes. 407.75. $462.75. Right in the middle of the 15-minute opening range now. It is set. We got news coming out in 13 minutes. That Canadian news came out. Wait for that news. Waiting for the news. Market real choppy this morning. So far. That's okay. Nasdaq sitting there below VWAP still, about 20 points below VWAP. Inside the 15-minute opening range, we got VWAP right outside the top of the range. Market's been kind of trending down pre-market so far, now just kind of chopping sideways. So bulls and bears fighting it out, trying to see what's going on. We got a pivot point up there at 501 and one down here at 401. So about 100 points between pivot points. We're still at no trades. Well, no trades for the day. No trades. Look at this chop. Below, above, below, above, below, above, below. Like, we're just, look at the 21 EMA on the 1 minute. Just, just waiting. Just waiting. Just waiting, baby. Just waiting. Just waiting. Oh, my left handle's broken. I got a broken tree. It's broken. It's missing a thing. It's missing the whole cover. Would I prefer to be up here? Probably not. Nasdaq trying to push down again. 407, but we got to start closing below the like 400 level because this pivot point could act as support, could just come right back up into the 15-minute range. So we don't want to get short as soon as it breaks out below the 15-minute range because you never want to short right above VWAP or above a pivot point. Like, that's why I wouldn't want to get long down here until we prove that we're kind of closing. Like, we kind of got to do this, or we got to do one of those. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for one of those. A breakthrough and then a pullback and then a continuation. We're looking for a breakthrough to the downside or the upside, a pullback, and then continuation. Continuation up to that, through this pivot, and we got the gap fill up there. Down here, we got yesterday's low at 369, so we might come down to that area. I don't know if we got in at like the 390s. Yo, I thought that was a UFO. They got a drone in the background on this music video. Stay focused. Stay focused. News coming out 7 minutes. 7 minutes for the news. Just kind of.
Luna Rosa Ocean Le Parfum, the new refillable fragrance.
You take me by the hand, I feel better again. Oh, I feel better now. Non-dairy chocolate beyond words. Classic recipe.
Not everywhere, though. You bundle things like Genesis, you love 10%.
News in 5 minutes. Home sale news. All right. So my mentor just confirmed what I just said. If it breaks out above VWAP, we're not just entering because it could just pull right back into the 15-minute range and fake us out. So we want to see it kind of both like above the VWAP. So we want to see it break out above, do a nice little pullback, and then continue, or vice versa below this pivot. If it breaks below, pulls back, and then continues. So he just confirmed what I thought. He's also been trading for 8 times as long as me. So just being patient here. We want to see it push out above. You never know. Sometimes you can just go straight up and you have really no good entry, but you need a pullback. You need a little bit of a pullback to enter. So just kind of waiting, being patient. News coming out in 1 minute. And who knows? This news could come out and it doesn't really move the market a whole lot. I mean, it's home sale news. It's kind of decently important news, but it doesn't have to break out when when the news comes out, So yeah, there's a European Central Bank president speaking as well in 15 seconds and news. So yeah, who knows? No expectations. We don't know what it'll do. We're just kind of waiting. There's the news. I mean, that's what I said. The news could come out and then it's like, it doesn't have to do anything. Or it could be a little delayed reaction. You could have it dud. And then it just, you never know. It's like fireworks, man. You got to be careful. After you light it, if you think it didn't go off, wait a couple seconds. Or a gun, you have a light strike on the primer, you pull the trigger and the gun doesn't go off. It's like, hold that gun facing down range. Wait a second. Wait before you eject that round. So just still being patient. Usually our trades come with this hour that just started. So between 10 and 11 Eastern. Still at no trades for the day. So been live for like 45 minutes or so. There's a breakdown a little bit. Push straight down to that pivot point. Pushed almost exactly right, a little bit below the pivot. And came right back up into the 15-minute range. Wow. Just being patient still, waiting. I mean, there's nothing to really do when it's just inside this range. See this yellow line right here and this yellow line right here? When we're just inside that going like this, we're just waiting. We're waiting for it to, And because we have this pivot right here, there we go. There's a push. We want to see it close kind of below this pivot and then maybe bear flag. We want to see it bear flag. Get a pull back to the 21 and then a continuation. We're not just going to jump in and get short here. If it just keeps going straight down, I mean, nothing really can do about that. We need to see it pull back a little bit and stay under this 400 area. We're looking to get short below the 400s if we are going to short. Short below the 400s. We need like a push and then a pullback and then a kind of a rip down maybe. Being patient. I don't know, is this our little pullback? I don't know. Nope. No, it's not. That's all right. I can push more. Ooh. Ooh, 20 points below 400 there. Got that pivot point break. Just ripping down. Just ripping down once we lost that pivot. I don't know. I guess we kind of did bear flag there for a second. That was just too quick. We need a better pullback to the 21 EMA. Now we're kind of overextended, and then getting that 400 break would have been beautiful down to the 370s, like almost 30 points there. Not much you can do about that, though. It just keeps dropping.
Yes.
Just being patient, forcing us to be patient. We're way below VWAP now. Putting in another bearish fair value gap. There's the break through yesterday's low. Still, I guess we kind of just had a bear flag right here on the 1 minute. That was too quick. Woo! Damn. That 373 break. 353. There's a 20-point break. Damn. I guess we could have done that. I wasn't looking at the 1 minute chart though. I only got one screen, so I can't. I'm going back and forth between the 2 minute and the 1 minute. And we kind of got this support area down here. I guess I could have taken that short, like right here, 373 down to 53, 20 points. Market's dumping quick now. Once that 9 a.m. hour hit, it started just dropping. Oh, it's just another. It's got it closed. It's kind of steep. Oh man, that would have been a nice little breakout right there, right here. Grab that short. That's all right. Kind of. Yeah, it looks kind of weird now. Like that was a nice short right here to get in, but it is what it is. Yeah, I was looking at the 2-minute chart, so I didn't catch this bear flag right here, but could have shorted like right here once we broke below the wick of this candle, probably at like 73, 74, and rode that for 20 points. All in 1 minute. We grabbed 20 points in 1 minute. And then pushed up. Trim that and then ride some more. Pushed all the way down to 46. Almost 30 points. No, this is just way too steep and weird looking to be like, oh yeah, here's another. Like usually they don't like almost touch like that. But I mean, if we get through the 69 area, maybe it starts coming down again. I don't know. Just kind of steep. Steep pullback. I got the dogs roughhousing behind me now that they're inside. Getting them used to being inside since we're about to go to an RV park. So I'm going to have to walk them, pick up their poop, feed them in here now, let them be in here more. You know, good thing is like usually done in a couple hours and I can take them out again. But further inside for a couple hours. Waiting to see where this 2-minute candle closes. If we get below the 77 level, we might start heading down again. I don't know. Market push it back up again. I don't know.
Ready to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty? Before you grab this,
Yeah, I don't know about that. When there's that much selling pressure and it's dropping off that quick and then it does a little pullback, sometimes you don't need to come all the way back to the 21 EMA. Like, yeah, we were kind of far off of it here at the 74 area, but I've done that before on the 1 minute where it's done one green candle and then just as soon as it breaks through, it just continues down. You know, it's fast, it's quick. So, but we missed it. So just waiting for our next setup. Still no trades, still within that hot hour. We got another 45 minutes left where there's usually good action. So just waiting for the market to show us what it's doing. Still closing below this pivot and bottom of the 15-minute range. But the bigger time frames are kind of showing that this area is an area of support down here. Oh no. So if we get that 77 break, would it start just heading on down? Again, one more time. See if we can head down one more time. Yo, you guys calm down over there. Might try to short if we can get this 80 break. Size done a little bit smaller so we can have a slightly bigger stop of like 15 points. I don't really like it. It's not like there's no momentum. I don't like that there's like not really good momentum. I could be wrong. Maybe get below this 80. Just kind of chopping. Look at these small bodies. Wicks. I don't know. Pushing back up again. That's weird. That's weird. All right, we're gonna try this. Let's try this short. Take out half our position down there, or maybe like 62. Keep on going. Keep on going down. Keep on going. Get that fill. Let's get that fill. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's get that continuation down. Get that continuation down. Oh my god, dude. Getting stopped out. That didn't work. Didn't work. Didn't work. Dude, what the fuck was that, bro? Crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's all right. All right, took our first trade. Took a little loss there. I don't know what to tell you there. Try to short. I don't know why we bottomed out here and we came back up after this push. We didn't get a break of structure. So now we just put in a higher low. Maybe we'll start putting in higher highs now. I don't know. Now it's coming back down. That's fucking weird. Counts back to 50,000 just like that. Like, what the fuck, dude? Like, we're still green on the week, barely, but like, there we go. That's how it goes sometimes. You know, that's how it goes sometimes. Now we got to just be patient. We ain't taking another trade for a little bit. We got another like 40 minutes left in the first, in that hot hour between 10 and 11. We got to wait for the market to kind of give us a bias if it's going up or down, because right now it doesn't know what the fuck it's doing. Like, still below the VWAP, below the 15-minute, below the 21 EMA, below the pivot, but you know, I tried to take out at like we got short at 93 or 77. we came down to 64, so we got a little over 10 points. You know, so maybe we should have just got our 10 points and been out. $200. I mean, we were risking more than that though. Our stop was at 15, so I wanted to see 15 points at least. Which would have put us at 62. We didn't get that push down to 62. Dogs, let's go lay down. Go lay down. You guys can't be roughhousing behind me every morning. They might start fucking doing that too. They're like, they want to play. So it's like 9 to 10 a.m. I'm going to have 2 dogs fucking going nuts behind me. Does anybody want 2 dogs? A black lab and a rescue that my customer gave me one time. Now we're just waiting, you know. Now we're just waiting. Man, I mean, this would have been a nice one to get in on short, and then we broke out. I started pushing. That's just tough. That's tough. Not much you can do there. Just got to be patient now. Wait. We got 2 funded accounts, both around 50 grand. The other one's in drawdown a little bit. Get above this 405 area. Start coming back up again, maybe. Got this pivot point at 400. Above the pivot. Yeah, it's just tough to trade so far. This was not like yesterday and Monday. So it's just chopping. Yeah. Just created a bullish fair value gap. We just closed above the pivot. Need to see kind of like a bull flag though. You see a good push and then a bull flag. Bottom of the 15-minute range at 408s. Getting above all these previous wicks. They were kind of holding us down. So probably want to get above VWAP on this halfway point. Bull flag up here. I don't want a bull flag above VWAP. I don't want to just get in and think it's going to and hope it's going to go up to VWAP. You know? VWAP at 438, Nasdaq at 416. I don't want to just get long and hope it's going to go up to VWAP. Yeah, look at that. Look at the hourly chart. It wicked and came right down to this kind of support area. The low today at 346 and just been coming right up. Back into the bottom of the 15-minute range. See if we can get above that halfway point, which is that light blue line, and VWAP, and maybe start pushing back up now. Give us a good bull flag, like entry to get long, maybe. Oh. No, I wasn't calling you over. Go lay down. They have no idea that I'm trading Nasdaq futures. They're dogs. Dad has no idea what Daddy's doing right now. Kind of. It's not really bear flagging because. I got that 418 break. That was maybe a bull flag there. Trying to get the break of structure there. We got in at 418 to over 10 points. Another. Kind of bull flagged there a little bit on the 1 minute. The VWAP up there at 437. We're not going to get long 10 points below VWAP. Because VWAP could act as resistance. It could come back down again after that. But if we can close and start pushing above that, you know. Oops. Hey, what's going on here? There's VWAP. How can we both flag above this? See where this candle closes. See if we start pushing up now. We do have a pivot point up there at 500. We got a gap fill up here at the 540s. So see if the bulls can keep this momentum going. See if the bulls can keep the momentum going up, up, up. Not me, dude. I shorted here because I thought we were getting this break. Should have just been more patient. We should still be at like no trades. You know, it's all good. It's all good. Kind of, we got to break through this VWAP. Kind of acting as resistance at the moment.
First step is easy. Start your quote now.
Oh man. Oh, shit. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance kind of right here. Closed over 20 points. This push right here. Never would have been a drawdown. Don't want to get long right below VWAP. Like, yeah, it's kind of bull flagging here, but VWAP could still act as resistance. And then we got all these wicks over here, too, when the market opens. So just being patient. Yeah, it's the hourly chart. So we came down and touched those previous areas right here from Monday morning. And shot straight back up. Now we're in the middle of the 15-minute opening range. Just turning and turning, getting the juices flowing, getting the juices flowing. pushing above VWAP again. Yeah, we got this whole like area right here that needs to get taken out. You know, it's not just VWAP. Eventually, we're probably going to start getting pushes up. We just got to sit tight and wait for it. Got to sit tight and wait for it. And then don't FOMO into it when we start seeing a push up. If it does, like we got to wait for that pullback. Here we go. Now we're kind of up a little bit. We get a little bit of a pullback here and then a push. We're just going to go.
I'm trying to figure this out. Like people like Rip keeps calling it a leprechaun. What's a leprechaun?
Oi. Oh, can we get a little bit of a? Can we get a pullback here? Or we just gonna keep going up? Can we get a bull flag? We're still just kind of waiting for our second trade. I don't like that either because that's the areas where it was resistance before. I don't want to get long anywhere in here. So we got to get up and out of here if we're gonna go long. Got to get through this area of resistance here. The bike is rented. Don't want to get long right here because this all these areas that we were at. Created a bearish fair value gap. Market pushing back down again. This is crazy. This is why we didn't want to get long in this area because of this area over here. Man, it's just trappy. Market's trappy today. What a weird day. What a weird morning. Can't get like any good moves. You know? On the 2-minute, I don't see any bear flags down here. And on the 2-minute up here, kind of see a little bit of a bull flag here, but we wouldn't have taken this because of this area of resistance. The only moves you can kind of see is on the 1 minute, but you got to keep in mind the bigger picture. So on the 1 minute, it's like, yeah, it looks like we see an entry at 10:32 to go long here. And then kind of like here. We should really be at no trades. Like this trade was kind of trappy because then it like kind of broke out, went up again, started going down. But with this move right here, maybe I shouldn't have gotten short. With it wasn't like a straight down.
We learn. Just
Whoa. What's happened? What the heck is going on here? Still at one trade. We got 3 more minutes left before 11 a.m. Man, today was just difficult. It's because of you out.
Avoid the.
Oh man, what a morning. One trade, one loss so far. And now it's 11 a.m. Uh, yeah, true.
We don't need.
Pushing back up to the 21 EMA. All right, guys. I think we're going to close it down for the day. I think we're going to close it down for the day. We took a little L today, small L, $300. Got short. That's a weird day. I've never had a day where I've only taken one trade. We do 2 to 3 if you look back. 2 to 3, 2 to 3. Over traded on that day. 3 trades, 4 trades, 4 trades. Over traded a little bit. 2, 2, 3. Count's still over 50,000, barely. But you know, I don't know. Market was just tough today. I guess we could have got long here. Could have shorted this quick breakout, but I was looking at the 2 minutes, so I missed it. And then I thought maybe we were getting a breakout here. I thought this was kind of weird in here. So I should have trusted my gut. And, you know, once I saw this kind of pushing hard, I was like, you know what? Maybe we'll grab 20 points. You know, I'm not expecting it to be a huge push, but maybe we'll get some continuation down into this area. And we didn't. We got stopped out. 15 points we were risking, kind of at the wick of the previous candle up there at the 21 EMA, and that was our only trade for the day. So it counts at $50,000.72. You can't make it up. You know, we lost $325 today with the fees. You win some, you lose some. You know, they're not all winning days. They're not all losing days, but we need to be winning more than we're losing. And right now we've been going sideways for a while now. You know, it's tough. It's just testing our patience. The universe is testing our patience. Tomorrow's Thursday. We'll be up early again to do it again. You know, we just didn't get that continuation. I mean, I saw a bear flag on the 2 minute and the 1 minute. There's the bear flag on the 2 minute. We were still below this pivot. And then on the 1 minute, we kind of bear flagged, but it was kind of weird. And then the other thing is, if you look at the higher time frames, you know, if you go to the hourly or the 15 minute, like look at the hourly, we had already come all the way down to here, to this 346 area right here. And then kind of bounced off that. And if we look all the way back to like last Thursday, we've kind of been bouncing off that area. So it bounced off and then it came down again. And we got short at 77, which is like right here. But we should have been keeping in mind the bigger time frame. The bigger time frame was on the hourly. It already kind of bounced. So can't always be focused on the 1 minute, the 2 minute. You got to look at the higher time frames. If we knew that better, I'd probably be at no trades for today right now. Maybe we wouldn't have lost money and we wouldn't have won money, because where else was there an opportunity to get in? You know, maybe here, but it's just today was tough. So, but we're gonna stay disciplined. We're not gonna just place trades for no reason. Like, it's not how a good trader trades. We're at 50,000 still. You know, we have this other funded accounts and draw down a little bit, 49,300. We're not touching that until we get a payout from our other one. So, yeah, there it is. That's it for today, guys. Peace and love. We'll see you tomorrow. See you for Thursday. Later. Peace.